My name's Huntley. I'm a six-star chef, and today we're cooking fillets and potatoes. So come on over here. We have some potatoes with applewood bacon, the finest butter, and whatever those called, onions. That's a bit dry. We're gonna put the fillets on the stove in the cast iron, and we're gonna cook them until they're perfect. So we'll get back to you. We're back, and we're cooking the fillets right now. We're gonna cook them for quite a little bit of time, 3 minutes each on each side, and we'll go back to you when they're done. We're back, and we have flipped over all the fillets, and they're in the oven. I'll crack it open a little bit for you. And the potatoes are cooking nicely. Look at them right here. Perfect. And those are going to be in the oven for another 13 minutes, so we'll get back to you when they're done. We're back. They're done cooking, so we're going to take them out right now. Kind of heavy. We're gonna let them sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll place them out. We're back, and the steak is now cooked right here. You'll be able to see it. Cooked to perfection, right there. We also have the potato. The potato is pretty good, and we have bacon. So that is all for Huntley's cooking show, and we'll see y'all in the next one. You don't even know the song.